All right, so let's have a look at a Category 7 suite. This is a top deck suite on the Tauck Esprit. Now, all the Category 7 suites on all the ships are going to look very, very similar. So here's a look at the washroom. So you're going to notice that it's quite a bit bigger than the Category 5s and 6s and all the other options. So very nice washroom. You've got the rain waterfall, plus the second handheld nozzle. And of course, they always got your amenities in here, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Even if you need to sit, you can see you got like a little sitting bench that you can pull down, which is great. And I assume there's some places here. Yeah, you can open your, we'll call them cabinets, so you can put some of your toiletries there. So that makes it very easy. So again, very spacey washroom. Now we'll go over to the other side, to the closet, which is a really nice walk-in closet. So again, quite big. And then some of the ships, like this is one of their older ships. So again, the decor may look a little bit different, more modern on the newer ships. But I've also been in a Category 7 room on, it was the Joy, which was brand new at the time, and very similar layout, pretty much identical, just a little bit more, maybe more modern decor. So again, it may not look exactly like this depending on the ship you're going on, but it's going to be a similar feel. So when we come out to the living area, you'll see that there's a couch here. If you ever do happen to be traveling with young kids or grandkids or anything, some of these can convert where you can have 3 or 4 in the room. So that is a possibility. So this is great if you want to sit down and do some work or have a little room service or something like that. Different, you can see place to store your clothes and stuff out here. Even though there's a lot of space in the closet, you still do have some extra space out here, and again, a little coffee maker and everything. And then everyone's always asking about the outlets. You pretty much do need a converter when you're coming on a lot of these river cruises. It's not very often you're going to get the North American outlet, so do make sure to come with a converter. I won't open this right now, but this is a French balcony. So this is like a sliding patio door at home where it slides and you can kind of lean out, get the fresh air. The reason why Tauck does this, they don't have an outside balcony because on a river cruise these are not huge rooms, so there's not a lot of space for the outside balcony. So rather than lose square footage inside, this is a really smart design. You still get the same feel like a balcony when you open a door, but yet you're not losing square footage. So very, very smart. And then this is definitely, I sleep in a king size at home, a king size bed, and this is definitely a king size bed. A lot of cruises will have, oversized queens, we'll call it. But again, that's definitely a king. And again, you can see the, the European outlets. So do make sure to bring that converter. So again, we've got a little bit of a bedroom area, not separated, but it certainly gives you, there's no door in between anything, but it feels like a separation when you come in the living area. And then behind me, again, right here is where you got your closet, and over there is the washroom. So this is a 300 square foot Category 7 suite on pretty much all the Tauck ships have this exact same room.